In this video, I will show you the secret trading view indicators, and we will also do the market analysis for the 24th of March 2025, and it's Monday today, and we are going to talk about the second session of trading. Okay, so guys, if we just look at Euro USD is rejected from the sell opportunity level. However, the higher time frames are bearish, and looks like that the market is still bearish. And if it breaks this buying opportunity, then it will target the lower buying opportunity that you can see at 1.0780. So overall, the higher time frames are bearish on this one. Okay, let's talk about the Great Britain Pound JPY. So no need to sell because the higher time frames, especially just look at the trend filter indicator. The 4-hour time frame, it's bullish. So the proper selling opportunity lies at these areas at 194.600 to 194.800. So no need to sell from here because it's completely into the bullish zone right now. If we talk about the gold, so if you just look at gold is bit confused because 1 hour is bearish and the 4 hour is bullish. But overall, as per the trend line, if we just look at the gold has no bearish breakout so far, so it's completely bullish. So in that case, we can definitely go with the trend that is available on the 4 hour. So I think so. That's my personal observation that this selling opportunity can behave as a weak point. So the proper selling opportunity that is lying at the 3046 and 3051, they could work as a better resistance for the gold. So overall, I am bullish on gold according to these indicators. If you look at the pound USD, it's completely bullish. You can see even the 4 hours and bullish, and you can see it's making the upward pattern. So no need to take any kind of sell positions. They will be very risky for you. Just look at the USD CHF, it is already rejected from the selling opportunity. And right now, if you just look, 4 hour is bearish. So things looks completely bearish and the price can go further into the downward direction. Okay, now let's talk about a little bit about the crypto like Bitcoin. So guys, Bitcoin has however the 4 hour trend is bullish, but guys, again the same thing. It's at a very strong resistance. So just note down that resistance, that if the price does not break 88 88,831, then it's completely into the bearish zone right now. Okay, but let's say if it breaks that value 88,831, then the last rejection is available at 90,700. So this could work as a better rejection point for us. Overall, I'm bearish on Bitcoin USDT from these levels. So guys, this is the analysis that I have given for the crypto, so that you can rest, you can check everything by your choice. Because the just look at the other coins, just keep an eye, because if the Bitcoin will drop, then the other coins can also do well. Okay, now if you want to book the lifetime version of the market turning points indicator, this one, the one with the levels, and if you want to book the lifetime version of the trend filter trend indicator, then you can contact on Telegram. The link is given in the description of this video below. You can also contact through email. All of the links are in description. Thank you very much.